Hi teacher, this is my little history for a trip. I have recently taken a trip to La Concha. It's a small town in Durango, and it has been a truly unforgettable experience. I have always wanted to explore more of Mexico, and I had the chance. I traveled to last month with my family, and we stayed for 5 days and enjoyed every single of one of them. We visit the local plaza, walking around quiet streets and talked with some people. And the weather was hot, but perfect for relaxing. One of the best moments was when we went to the river. We swam, had a picnic, and took lots of pictures. I had I had never seen such a peaceful place before. It was beautiful. It was so beautiful, and I had also tried I have tried some delicious local food. I tried gorditas, I tried tamales, and fresh tortillas almost every day. The flavors will stay with me, and
Yes.
the flavors we here stay with me. They were amazing. And finally, since I returned, I have talked a lot about the trip. It was simple but full of special moments. I have told my friends about it, and think I will we again soon.